Meaning of Ezra Pound.
Ezra Pound.
Ezra Pound.
Ezra Pound.
Ezra Pound. Ezra Pound was an American poet and critic who played a key role in the modernist movement. He is best known for his influential ideas on poetry and his translations of classical literature, particularly Chinese and Japanese works. Pound was also a controversial figure due to his support of fascism and his anti-Semitic beliefs. In 1945, he was arrested and charged with treason for his activities during World War II. Pound's legacy remains complex, with some viewing him as a genius and others condemning him for his political views.